So in this video we are going to see underscore. So basically bullet point list is what we are trying to create here, and an on order list we create with the help of UL tag, which is short form of unordered list. So let me include UL tag inside our body. Okay, so I am here going to create list of colors. So inside the unordered list, to insert a particular element in the list, we use the li tag, which is short form of list item. So inside our UL we use li, and whatever element that I want to insert in my unordered list, that element I will place inside my li tags. So let's add red color as the first element in the list, and I will just copy this statement, and let's say the second element we want to orange and third element is yellow. Let's save this and refresh it on our browser to see the changes. So there we go, we have a beautiful unordered list. So for creating the unordered list, let's quickly revise. So first we have UL tag, and inside the UL tag for each element we have a li tag. So that was how we can create an unordered list. So now I have a quick challenge for you. So you can just apply different formatting to each of three elements which are present in the list. So you can choose any formatting like bold, italic, etc. And you can apply it each element which are present in the list. So just pause the video and go for it. So I hope you got the one. So let's say for the first element I will make this red as bold. So for that I'm going to use the strong tag, and I will place it inside the strong tag, and the second element we are going to make it italic. So for that I'm going to use em tag, and the third element, let's say we will underline the third element with the help of ins tag, that stand for interested, and let's place the element inside this int tag. Let's save this and refresh our web page. So we can apply this formatting to anything. It does not have to be in a paragraph tag. As we did in the previous video, text can anywhere present on our page. So that was how we can create unordered list, and how we can apply formatting to each element which is present in the unordered list. So in the next video we are going to see how we can create unordered list. So see you in the next one.